Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Car Stories, where we bring the legends of classic automobiles back to life. Today, we're taking a nostalgic journey through time to celebrate one of America's most beloved muscle cars, this car, 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. This car wasn't just another vehicle on the road. It was a symbol of power, style, and the golden age of American performance. The Chevrolet Chevelle was first introduced in 1964 as a mid-size car designed to bridge the gap between the compact Chevy 2 and the full-size Impala. But by 1967, the Chevelle had evolved into something truly special, a car that captured the perfect balance of elegance and raw muscle. The 1967 model year marked the final edition of the first-generation Chevelle, and it arrived with refined styling and impressive performance upgrades. The design of the 1967 Chevelle was bold and purposeful. Its slightly more rounded fenders, clean body lines, and a wider stance gave it a powerful road presence. The split front grille with horizontal bars and dual headlights on each side gave it a distinctive face that turned heads wherever it went. Chevrolet also introduced new safety features that year, such as an energy-absorbing steering column and dual-circuit master cylinder brakes. Forward-thinking innovations for the time. Under the hood, the Chevelle offered a wide range of engine choices, catering to every kind of driver. For those who wanted a simple, smooth ride, there were the reliable six-cylinder and small-block V8 options. But the real magic lay in the Chevelle SS 396 model, which housed a big-block 396 cubic inch V8 engine that could deliver up to 375 horsepower. It was a beast on the road and quickly became a favorite among muscle car enthusiasts. The Chevelle SS 396 was more than just fast. It looked the part too. It came with special badging, a blacked-out grille, simulated hood scoops, and a sportier interior that made drivers feel like they were sitting in a true performance machine. The sound of that engine, deep and throaty, was music to the ears of car lovers across the United States. Inside, the 1967 Chevelle combined comfort and simplicity. The dashboard was neatly laid out, with easy-to-read gauges and chrome accents that gave it a touch of class. Bucket seats and a center console were available, giving the car a sporty, cockpit-like feel. It was a perfect blend of function and style, ideal for cruising the open highways or showing off at the local drive-in point. One of the most notable aspects of the Chevelle was its versatility. Chevrolet offered it in several body styles, including the two-door coupe, convertible, and four-door sedan. This made it appealing to families, young drivers, and speed enthusiasts alike. Whether you wanted a practical daily driver or a high-performance street machine, the Chevelle lineup had something for everyone. The performance of the SS 396 was truly remarkable for its time. With strong acceleration and impressive handling, it held its own against rivals like the Ford Fairlane GT and Pontiac GTO. The Chevelle's suspension system was tuned for both comfort and control, allowing it to deliver a smooth yet confident ride even at high speeds. That on the streets of America, the 1967 Chevelle became a symbol of freedom and individuality. It was the car young drivers dreamed of owning, and it played a starring role in the growing muscle car culture of the late 1960s. It was common to see these cars lined up at drag strips or cruising through small towns on summer nights, their engines rumbling with pride. Chevrolet marketed the Chevelle as America's most popular midsize car, and they weren't wrong. Its combination of performance, style, and affordability made it a huge success. Even today, it remains one of the most recognizable and desirable classics from that golden era of automotive design. Collectors and restorers treasure the 1967 Chevelle for its timeless appeal. Original SS 396 models, especially those with the high-output engine, have become highly sought after at car shows and auctions. Restored or well-preserved examples can fetch impressive prices, but beyond their monetary value, they carry an emotional connection to an era when cars had true character. The Chevelle's influence didn't stop with the 1967 model. It paved the way for future generations of Chevrolet performance cars, including later Chevelles and the iconic Monte Carlo. Its design language and performance spirit lived on, influencing American automotive design for years to come. Driving a 1967 Chevelle today is a unique experience. The steering feels raw, the acceleration is immediate, and the sound of the V8 engine reminds you that you're behind the wheel of something mechanical and alive. It's not just transportation. It's a time capsule from an age when cars were built with passion and personality. For many owners, restoring a Chevelle is a labor of love. They spend years tracking down original parts, perfecting the paint, and bringing every detail back to life. Each completed restoration tells a story, not just of the car itself, but of the people who refuse to let a piece of history fade away at car shows and classic gatherings across America. The 1967 Chevelle still draws crowds. People admire its lines, listen to its engine, and share stories about how their parents or grandparents once owned one. It's more than nostalgia. It's a shared connection to an era when driving was pure joy. The legacy of the 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle is one of enduring respect. It remains a masterpiece of American engineering and design, celebrated by collectors, enthusiasts, and everyday fans alike. It represents a time when performance and style went hand in hand, and when owning a car meant owning a piece of freedom. As we wrap up today's episode of Old Car Stories, we salute the Chevrolet Chevelle 1967, a true American legend that continues to inspire generations. Whether you admire it for its beauty, its power, or its history, one thing is certain. The Chevelle will always hold a special place in the heart of car lovers everywhere. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this journey through automotive history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Old Car Stories. We'll be back soon with another timeless classic that helped shape the roads we drive today. See you in the next episode.